Hello, my name is Samantha, and in this video I'll be demonstrating how to disassemble and reassemble the breathing block of the Perseus A500. To start, ensure that you have your cleaning plate available. Then, check that all the consumables have been removed or detached from the breathing system, including your solder line. Press the grey button on the click adapter to slide the solder line out. Then, remove the breathing system cover by lifting it up. To unlock the breathing system from the device, unlock the green lever, which will then allow you to lift the block up and out. The turbine ventilator can also be removed from the device to allow for reprocessing. To remove the turbine ventilator, push down on the screws with your thumb and turn and push down and turn. This will release the screws to then allow you to remove the ventilator from the device. I'll start by removing the click adapter by placing one firm grip on the top of the breathing block and the other one on the click adapter and turning anti-clockwise off. At this point, it is good practice to insert the cleaning plate in. This is done by pressing the grey button to open up the click adapter, lining up the straight edges with the straight edges here, and sliding the plate in and closing the click adapter. Then place that to the side. Then the APL valve can be removed by unscrewing the bottom grey component. Following that, the inspiratory and expiratory ports can be unscrewed from the breathing system. You will then be able to remove the flow sensors, first one from the end of the port and the expiratory flow sensor from the middle of the port. These can then either be disposed of or reprocessed via immersion. Please refer to the instructions for use for further information. Then, to remove the cover of the breathing system, unlock the three grey levers to remove your plate. Next, the inspiratory and expiratory valves can be removed from the base of the breathing block. A forward and backwards wriggling motion will help loosen the valves. And then pulling it out. Now your breathing block is ready to be reprocessed. Now, to reassemble the breathing block. Start with the base of the breathing block, and we'll start with reattaching the inspiratory and expiratory valves. You will be able to see notches located on the outside of the valves, which will line up with the notches on the base of the block. Simply line those up and push down. On the blue valve, the notches are at 12 and 6 roughly. Then, to replace the cover of the breathing block, align the cover up with the base and ensure the grey levers remain open so that it can be attached properly. Then, close the three grey levers and ensure there's a proper seal around the top and the base. Then, the clean flow sensors can be placed in the inspiratory and expiratory ports, with the expiratory one inserted from the middle of the port and the inspiratory one inserted from the end. Then, the expiratory port inserted here and screwed on, and the inspiratory one to the top. And just keep in mind there is a notch at the bottom that aligns with the gap at the edge of the port. And just screwing it on so that it's finger tight. Next, reattaching the APL valve. The dot should be aimed to the front of the breathing system, with one hand supporting where that APL valve should sit, and with the other hand screwing the base of the APL valve onto the cover. Then to reattach the click adapter, remembering to remove the cleaning plate first. This is done by pressing the grey button on the click adapter and sliding the plate out. Then with one hand firmly on the top of the breathing block and the other on the click adapter, starting off centre and turning so that the grey button ends up in the middle underneath the dot on the APL valve. To return the ventilator to the device, place 2 fingers in the hole of the turbine and align it up with the hole, and then push down with your thumb on the screws and turn as you go. To return the breathing system back to the device, place your finger on the finger grips on the top of the breathing system and align the click adapter up with the hole. And then firmly push down, which will then allow you to push the green lever forward to lock the breathing system in place. This will then allow you to replace the breathing system lid. For further information, please refer to the instructions for use or contact your local Dräger representative.